Good morning everyone. I Gurpreet Kaur again welcome you all to Shri Rama Bharati Public School online classes. This is your computer class. So let's start. Okay, today again we will continue with the same chapter, that is Introduction to MS Paint. But in previous class we have learned that what is MS Paint, how to start the MS Paint. But in today's class we are going to cover the topic parts of MS Paint window. When we are able to open that MS Paint window, then there are different parts of that window. So today we are going to learn about that parts of MS Paint window. So let's start. There are different parts in the MS Paint window. First listen carefully, after that I will show you in the slide just how these parts look like. Okay. First is title bar. It shows the name of file and program. It shows the name of file and program. Let's see how it looks. This is the title bar. This is the basically title bar. Here it is written untitled. Here it is written untitled paint. So here that name appears which you can given to your paint. Whatsoever name you are given to your painting, that name appears here. Here it is written untitled, and this white line, this is known as the title bar. So if you given it name second paint or first paint or your name dot paint, then it appears here. This is basically the title bar window. Okay, title bar window. Okay, next is control buttons. Second is control buttons. These are used to control size and appearance of the paint window. These buttons basically are used to control the size and the appearance of the paint window. Let's see what are the control buttons. Basically these are the control buttons. One is cross, one is this square, rectangle or square, one is minus. When you click on this minus button, your paint window will close. Your paint window will minimize. It will not show on the screen. Okay, it will minimize. When you click on this rectangle box, then what happens? It will increase. It will open your paint window again. It will open your paint window again on the screen. And when you click on this cross button, this means you want to close the paint program. Your paint program will close. Your paint program will be closed by clicking on this cross button. Okay, so these three are the control buttons. These three are the control buttons. Okay, there are three control buttons. You can use them. One is to minimize the window, one is to again open the window, and third is to close the window. Okay, these are the control buttons. This is title bar. We have done number 1, number 2. Now, number 3. Number 3 is quick access toolbar. Quick access toolbar. It contains buttons for common tasks like save, undo, etc. Okay, it contains the buttons for common tasks. Let's see what is quick access toolbar. This is number 3, quick access toolbar. Now you are able to see some symbols are given here. These all are the quick access toolbars. Like if we don't want to open file again and again to save or open the new window programs or to redo or undo our work, then we can directly do it from here. I will show you all these things in the class practically, but listen here. Okay, so just see. So this is basically the quick access toolbar. Basically it is used to do our work shortly so that we don't want to open the files again and again. This is a basically shortcut. We can say quick access toolbar is a shortcut menu. We can do work directly from here. This is number 3. Now number 4 is file menu. Number 4 is file menu. It contains different options to work like new, open, save, etc. Let's see. Number 4. Number 4 is this. This one is the file menu. This is number 4. Okay, here it is written in dark blue color, file. Okay, here 3 tabs are there: file, home and insert. So, and view. So first is file. So this is file. Here you can open the new window, you can save your file, you can rename your file, you can edit your file. All these options are here in this file menu. All these options are here in this file menu. Okay, how you can open, how you can save, how you can rename, all these things we can learn in the next slides or in the next topics. Okay, so don't worry about that. Just see this file. This dark blue color is a file menu. Okay, you just remember the things. Now next is ribbon. Next is ribbon. Ribbon means it contains tabs and groups. It contains tabs and groups. Now see, what is ribbon? Sorry. Now here it is written number, and it is written number 6, ribbon. Okay, so number 6, ribbon contains tabs and groups. So all these are tabs and groups. Okay, all these are tabs and groups. Okay, this starting is tab and this all things comes under group, from this to this. Okay, first is tab, second is group. So these two combinedly comes under ribbon. These two combinedly comes under ribbon. Okay, number 6. Now next is tab. Tab. It contains tools arranged in different groups. It contains tools arranged in different groups, and group is a set of related commands. What it means? Means in tab there are different tools. There are different tools that arranged in the different groups. Means we have divided the tab into different groups. And what are in the groups? Groups are the commands, basically particular command for a particular thing. Let's see here in this. Now these are basically the tabs. These are basically the tabs. Means that if we want to crop our file, if we want to give some new shape, these all things comes under tab. And in groups, these all tabs are divided into different groups like shapes, colors, drawing, all these comes under groups. This one, this first is that how you want to use, what are the tools you want to use, like you want to use pencil, you want to use eraser, text, you want to use brush, paint brush, all these things comes under tools group. Okay, next is shapes group. By this you can use different type of shapes. Next is color palette. In color palette you can use different type of colors. What type of colors you want to fill in your drawing, you can use it from here, this color palette. So all these things comes under groups, and groups comes under tabs. So means first is ribbon. Ribbon contains tabs and groups, and tabs contains groups. Okay, now next, drawing area. Drawing area means area where you can make drawings. Drawing area is the area where you can make drawings. Okay, so this all white color space is your drawing area. This all white color space is your drawing area. Okay, where you are able to draw the things. Next is scroll bar and zoom slider. Scroll bar and zoom slider. Scroll bar. It has two scroll bars used to move page up, down, left or right. Means scroll bar is used to move the page up and down, left and right. We have already learnt in mouse there is one scroll wheel that is used to move the page up and down. But here in this paint window there is one scroll bar which is used to move page up and down and as well as left and right. Okay. Next is zoom slider. It is used to enlarge or reduce the size of a drawing. It is used to enlarge means to expand the drawing, or to reduce means to shorten the size of the drawing, to minimize the drawing. Okay, let's see how they look. Now see, this is the zoom slider. This is here. This here it is written 100%, and with this purple color, with this purple color bar, purple color circle, sorry, with this purple color circle, you are able to expand or reduce the size of your drawing file, of size of your drawing area. You can reduce it or you can increase it with this zoom slider. Okay. After that, there is scroll bar. There are two scroll bars. One is this one, this gray color line, and one is this gray color line. So there are two scroll bars. It is used to move page up and down. This one is used to move page left and right. Two scroll bars that are used to move page up and down, left and right. And zoom slider bar is used to increase the size of your drawing or to reduce the size of your drawing. I hope it's clear. There are 10 or 11 parts of the paint window. In the next slides, we are going to learn about these parts one by one, that how these parts works. So stay tuned with us. Okay, bye everyone. See you in the next class.